Aloha guys! So it is a beautiful day in Kauai and I'm about to drive to go close the deal on our new home. And I am so excited and it just feels surreal because we just have been looking for an ideal home for so long and now we finally found our home and we got it. And it's just time to sign the papers, and so I'm going without the kids right now just to go sign the papers. I can't believe we got the house that we wanted and the exact one that we wanted. So now I'm just going over and I got him these my dad's cookies. I don't know why, I just love to bring treats. I think it's so fun. So these are just black and white cute gluten-free cookies. They look so yummy. I thought I'd bring them on over to Dave. So here we go.
Okay, this one, Coda? Or this one? Not that one. I already know we don't want this one. Okay, so we're just at Costco right now. And come try. Wait, no shoes on. No shoes on. Listen to me. Just sit, okay? Do you like this one? Okay, wait, try not to feed on there though, okay? Code. Okay, so we just decided which couch we like, but now we're just trying to figure out how we're gonna move it at all. Like, we have Ayana here with her truck, but that still will only be able to hold one of these pieces, and there's 3 parts, so.
All of them like standing up.
Is this the one you like, boys? Yeah, we're gonna get this couch for a new house. Yeah. Did you try it? Is it comfy? It's so comfy. I like it. You like this couch? Come sit.
I like this.
You like this one?
Okay. I think if we just put them
No feet, okay?
vertical in the back of the truck and use the tie-down straps, then it'll work.
2 of them. But then the ottoman, we bring in the trunk of our car or something in our car.
I think all 3 of them will fit in the back.
You really do?
Yeah.
I'm seeing maybe you could get 2 somehow, but I don't know how 3. Okay, but
do 1 trip only, you know?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Where you get this?
Hawaii.
That's fine. Strap them, you get strapped.
Yeah, I get strapped. Yeah.
There you go. Strap them.
Honestly,
he's helping them put the couches there, so I'm Ayana. Yeah, it is.
Hey guys, so we just got done at Costco and we ended up getting that sectional that we showed. It was super comfortable. We're so excited. We've never had to furnish like that big of a space before. Like in our old apartment, we just had a little futon couch.
I'm in!
Okay, so yeah, so this is our first time getting like an L-shaped sectional couch, so we're very excited about it. And it's our first piece of furniture for our new house. So as you all know, we're moving April 1st. That's the big news around here. We're very, very, very excited. Yeah, this is just the first thing we're getting. So basically, the deal on Kauai is because we're on an island, and this island in particular, not many things are over here and not many things ship over here. So we're not able to just get furniture from any store online like you would be able to on the mainland. So Costco is 100%
one of the only places that we can get furniture here, besides like Walmart, and like there are furniture stores, but they're not really, they're like really expensive and not even really our style. So yeah, we just kind of have to piece together things from Costco. And then Ross actually has like a cute selection of stuff here, and then Amazon obviously, and Wayfair. Love Wayfair, because Wayfair you can pay like a small shipping fee to get it over to this island, so it's not a big deal. Whereas other places, the shipping fees are just insane. So right now I'm going to insert some photos of the interior of the home, because when I went there, I wasn't able to show you guys pictures because it still had junk from the last renters in there, and they just didn't want me to post it. But I have nice pictures to show you guys now. So here's what it looks like in the space that we have to work with. It's super open and roomy, lots of space, very like lots of windows and light. And my plan for the living room, since it's so huge and open, is part of it's going to be where the sectional is and like a living space, and then the other half of it I'm going to make a school room for homeschooling, because I actually already ordered the coursework for the kids homeschooling, so that's going to be starting up really soon after we move. So I'm gonna have, you know, a chalkboard and their kids table and, you know, bookshelf, whatever, stuff like that. I'm so excited to decorate. And then also we're gonna be decorating our master bedroom and the boys' bedroom, and probably like a toddler corner for baby Ever as well in our room, because it is a large room. That's kind of the situation. And I'm gonna show you guys some inspiration pics that I found on Pinterest for how I plan to decorate the space, so you can kind of understand my style and how I'm going to go with the space. I love white, and I like gray and green, like as in plants, and then I also love pops of color. So I definitely want, you know, crochet hanging plants. Yeah, just kind of like a boho modern contemporary look. I'm very excited, you guys, and let the fun begin. Okay, so the couch that we got was 3 pieces, and we had Naya's little sister Ayana with her little Toyota Tacoma truck carry these 2 humongous parts of the couch, the 2 parts of the sectional, and then we have the little ottoman just in here right now because they were just not able to put it in the back of her truck. It was just too tall. So they tied it down, but her truck bed doesn't work, so they weren't able to put it horizontal.
It's called a tailgate.
What did I call it?
A truck bed. Her truck bed doesn't work.
Oh, yeah, no, the tailgate
on the truck bed doesn't work.
Right. So they weren't able to extend it and put it horizontal, whatever, so they had to...
When I put it horizontal, it's just not flat. It's just angled.
Oh, it's angled. Okay. And then they tied it down with straps, obviously.
One strap.
One strap. And we just like, we're making this joke that we're gonna just see the couch on the side of the road right now because it's like barely hanging on in there, but you know, whatever. Wait, oh, I forgot to say the whole thing with, so I called Costco like last week to see what their couch selection was like, because they're like the only place that we can get a sectional couch from here, and they were saying that it was limited. So even though we're moving April 1st, we still wanted to go snag a sectional, because the one that we actually wanted, they didn't even have. So we had to get the one that was more expensive and not our favorite, but at least we got it before it sold out, or we'd be left with literally nothing, you know? So that's just kind of why we picked up a couch now. Because the thing with Costco here is, sorry I need to explain this, but they only get shipments of couches once a year, and that's like right before the holiday time, so like November-ish. And then now is about the time of the year, like March, April is when they sell out. So we just thought we'd go pick up like the one that we liked the best, but they didn't even have it, so yeah. That's the story.
So yeah.
Birdie?
Would you like the two?
Could you?
What do you need?
That chip. Chip. But with a shower.
Yeah, hop in. Wait, Kikai, let go to hop. Are you guys in a swan?
Yeah. I'm a pretty good. I'm in this swamp.
You're in a swamp.
What color is it?
What color is it?
White. I want to get out.
You want to get out? Okay. You're in the big boat. She's in the little boat. Five-month-old Davia. Oh my gosh, wait, careful, Kikai. Careful with your float. You're huge, okay? She's just swimming. I'm dying. So cute. Wow, Ev. Kikai, show me how you swim. Go under.
No, that's super cool.
Are you sunbathing?
But I can't see the moon and stars.
You can't? It's because it's blue skies.
There's no stars.
You sunbathing? Look at Sissy's copying you.
Oh, copy you. Ew, nasty. My feet so dirty.
Look, Ev. We're on the swan. Okay. Ever. Look. We're floating in the swan. We're floating. We're floating. Are you floating in the swan? Baby Ever. Laughing. Look! Oh. We are floating. Ever. Oh, you're gonna dive? You gonna dive in? Are you gonna go in? Ever's learning how to swim. She loves to go under and she comes up and she holds her breath really good. You gonna do it? You on the finger?
Yeah.
It's a swan.
Nice.
Okay.
Look at
What
me,
are you gonna
Mom.
Hold it. Hold the picnic basket. What's up, Coda? What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm just laying down.
Just laying down.
What's that guy?
He's just over there. You want to go in this one? Okay. Are you a mermaid? Whoa, girl. Bless you. Party swan. Hi, boys. Are you a fishy? You a fishy, Av?